Do you want a great memory of home-cooked food surrounded by friends and good neighbors? Of course you do. Or is it time for a girl's morning out for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? How about a motorcycle destination for you and your buddies? Mammies is the destination where you will feel at home and comfortable as soon as you walk through the door. We arrived at 215 Depot Street, or Home Away from Home, as owners Mammie and Paul Jones call it, and found it just so. It was a perfect summer morning, so we ate on the deck. Our waitress was as sweet and pleasant as could be. Look here, the coffee arrived swiftly and orders were placed. I had to take a walk to snag videos and photos so you would be inspired to click the like button and subscribe to this growing channel. I had this absolutely delicious blueberry pie and ice cream. My buddy stepped off his motorcycle hungry. Well, that was satisfied here at Mammie's. Look at all that food, and he loved every bit of it. Meanwhile, at my other buddy's plate, he had pancakes topped off with an egg, and he loved every bit of his meal. This is what happens at Mammie's. Now, I want to encourage you to go over to Facebook, type in Mammie's Country Kitchen. There you'll find all sorts of specials, directions on how to get there, and comments from people that just absolutely love this restaurant. Now, I want to thank you for watching this video. It was a privilege making it for you, and I hope to see you at Mammie's someday.